everyone, it's the Sunshine Sisters.
Today, we're going to be letting a wheel decide the fate of our slimes. We have so many different materials.
Like foam beads, clay, food dye, and fimo slices, along with so many more.
Let's get into it. I'll be going first, so let's spin the wheel to see what slime texture I get. I got an icy slime, so we're going to be using instant snow for this slime. The first thing I'm going to do is add some clear glue. I'm going to be using 1 cup of it. Now it's time to add 1/4 cup of water. Now for my favorite part, the instant snow. It's so satisfying when it expands. I only showed a little bit on camera, but off camera we added a lot more. Okay, now let's spin the wheel to see which color I'm gonna get. I got blue. I think this is gonna go really well with the icy texture. So we're just gonna add this in and then choose our scent. Let's see what scent I'm getting. I'm really hoping for something sweet. Okay, I got vanilla. Let's just add in this vanilla scent and then we can mix it all together. I got some borax powder and diluted it with hot water. We're only gonna start with a few spoonfuls, but I definitely added a lot more than that. This slime looks done. Now, let's add some glitter sequins. I have a lot of glitters to choose from, but I think I'm gonna go with 3. I'm gonna go ahead and pick 2 white ones and a blue one. I also decided that I wanted to add some bluish purple glitter flakes. Okay, now that I have all my supplies, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding them on. So, let's go ahead and add on these white glitter sequins. I'm just gonna go and sprinkle them on. Wow, that looks really pretty. I got a little messy with the blue ones, but that's okay. The last part to this slime will be the charm, so let's see what the wheel picks. I got a snowflake. This is like a really good theme for my slime. It's almost sort of wintry. Now I'm gonna put the snowflake charm on the slime, and it's complete. I really love this slime. Let's go see what Anna's making.
Okay, it's my turn. Let's see what the wheel decides. It shows a butter slime, so I'm gonna use white glue. So I'm gonna add the glue to the mixer along with some water. Let's let that mix. Alright, now let's let the wheel decide what color I get. I got blue. I did end up deciding that I wanted to add some red to differ the color from face. What's the scent? Let's find out. I got peppermint. That doesn't really match the theme, but we'll see what it turns out to be. Now let's activate the slime. Lastly, before we add the mix-ins, we're going to add clay to make it the butter slime texture. This clay is so soft and makes the slime really creamy. Alright, let's roll for the add-ins. I got gold leaf. This seems like it's going to be a crazy slime. Here's my sheet of gold leaf. I'm just going to crinkle it on top. It's very fragile though. Finally, let's let the wheel decide what charm I get. I got a carrot. Let's top this slime off. And ta-da! There's the final result. What a crazy slime.
Oh, and did we mention? This is the competition.
We'll be doing some ASMR, and at the end of the video, we'll reveal the winner.
Okay, so my slime had some great ASMR when you poked it. It was really stretchy and sizzly. It had some great bubble pops too. However, it stuck to the table, which was kind of annoying, but you could just pick it up after and it's fine. I'm really confident that I'm gonna win, but let's go see Anna's slime.
Okay, so my slime was really stretchy and soft, and it also was really spreadable because of its butter texture. The gold leaf was also so fun to mix in and left gold sprinkles all through the slime. It also became really inflated after stretching.
And the winner is... Thanks for watching!
Bye!